Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take you through step by step how to use Google Meet. My name is Boy Lawrence. If you want to use Google Meet, you come to Google Chrome here. You click on it and you go straight to your Gmail account. Click on it. When you click on it, you will come here at the right hand side here. You come and get Google Apps and you click and you go straight to Google Meet, which is here. Google Meet is a very important application in google.com. It helps you in having meetings online. You can have your lecture online, have discussion online. When you come here, you come to this new meeting, you click on it. When you click on it, it will load and open for you. When it's loaded, it opens for you. It is delaying as if the internet is not perfect. That's why it is delaying to open. Yeah, when it opens like this, you will get here, create new meetings, create a meeting for later. I'm going to use this one. Start an instant meeting here. I click on that. Then I will be now. It is loading, and after loading, it will connect. Yeah. Here, you will be able to connect with those one who you have their contact. You can connect using phones. You can connect using tablets. You can connect using laptops, and you will be able to communicate to your friends. Now here, like you want to add, you can add from here. You can add your other people you want to communicate to. You can add them on email. Like now, it is ready now for me to link up with those I want to connect to. So this one is just to demonstrate to you the importance of Google Meet. This one is for studies purpose. Remember to like my video and wait for more. Thank you.